Alright, just finished watching Civil War. As you can see the poster right there. Some thoughts on it. It was good. It was good. Haven't decided yet. It's better than Winter Soldier. I think this is the best Marvel film I've watched to date. Yeah, I think so. Especially that they weren't kidding about the airport scene. The airport scene was insane. This was awesome. that fight choreo though. Oh man. I want to watch it on DVD soon. So what is it today? It's April, May, June, July. Around July maybe, or August. I'll be able to watch it on Blu-ray or DVD. I want to see more of it. I want to see more. Well, there is the upcoming film, a solo film from Black Panther and Spider-Man. I want to see more of them in action. It's pretty well made. It was a well-made movie. It's awesome. I didn't see any loopholes on the story. It's as the Russo brothers said, it was how do you say, honest trailer proof. They did it honest trailer proof. I'm gonna think of some of the things that they missed or should have made better. But so far, after watching it, I can't remember any loopholes there. Although it wasn't the Civil War I was expecting. Of course, everybody wanted to have a bigger cast. It's more of a civil brawl than a civil war. but you know, you can't punish them for that, for trying. It's a great film. Definitely a must watch for everyone. And it is great. It is a great popcorn movie. The story was compelling enough. Between the issue with Winter Soldier and Captain America's side on the Sokovia Law. I forgot what they call the law that UN wanted to do. Those registration act on the comics. Now that I think of it, I think there wasn't enough explanation on what is in those papers that they were supposed to sign, and it wasn't. It's not clear enough why Captain America was so against it, or what were on those papers. I'm not sure why Captain America was so against it. It's pretty reasonable. I'm trying to side with Cap here. Going in, I was on Cap's side on the registration, but going in and watching it, while watching it, I thought that I was starting to think that Tony was right. Tony's decision to sign the law was right. Signing on that law, but they should have finish first the issue with Winter Soldier before signing it, I think that would have lessened the problems quite drastically if they would have just listened to Bucky and Cap, why they're doing it, looked into it. Although I guess if they skipped the man, I don't know. I need to watch it again. I need to watch it again. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait up for the DVD. Let's scroll and I'm gonna crawl in the forums and Reddit, see who else thought the same. And here's my girlfriend. We're gonna go to lunch now. Bye.
I just got home, I just took a bath, and it's still friggin' hot tonight. Oh goodness. Well, anyway, I just wanna continue my reaction on Civil War, in case you guys didn't hear me on the previous recording. I thought I thought it was good. I thought it was a good movie. I thought it was better than Winter Soldier. I think it is one of the best Marvel films to date. I think it is the best Marvel movie to date. I was still looking for even more reasons for why Cap was so against the registration, the act, whatever that document is. I forgot what it's called. And I going in the theater again, I think Cap was right. In the middle of the film, I thought Tony had a point, and the registration had some traction. I thought, and then by the end of it, of course, spoiler alert, I think Cap's right again. And I was thinking that maybe Tony should have listened first and helped his friend to solve whatever it is that he was looking for. A lot of their problems should have been solved if they just talked again. This is this is a usual problem when it comes to these kind of movies. God damn it, talk it out, guys. You're friends, right? You're all heroes here. Anyway, I'm just gonna just a quick recap. I'm gonna end this video now. Again, Captain America: Civil War, great movie, good movie. Although my girlfriend thought it was so-so. I got. Well, no. Forget that. It's a good movie. It's a good watch, worth your money. And I'm hoping to see more of Black Panther and Spider-Man in the future. Much like everyone else's desires. Yes. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm gonna upload more videos soon. Alright. See you guys. Peace out. This is Major Tom to ground control.